Okay, so my hair is just been detangled. I did have it in an old twist out. I wanted to detangle my hair before I tried to put it in a ponytail. So as you can see, it is detangled. I'll just make sure it's nice and smooth. So I'm just going to be using a little bit of gel just to give it that sleek look, that it gets really smooth. And I'm only going to be putting it on the root area. Then I've got a hard bristle brush that I'm going to be using to brush that down. And I'm going to put this in a band just to keep it nice and tight while I do another section. The back section isn't going to be too difficult to do. It will be the front, just making sure that everything is nice and sleek would be the tricky part for me. I have got lots of flyaways at the front, which doesn't like to stay down. And again, just make sure that's fully detangled. Add some gel. I am going to take out the band that I had in the first section. I'm going to add them both in. And then I'll put the band back in on both sections. And just repeat that until I come to the front. I know that looks rough, but it's not, because my hair is quite moisturized. So I have taken both bands out. I'm just going to put everything together. So the front of my hair is really fine. So I'm going to attempt to put this whole section in at the same time. Just make sure that it's fully detangled first. I'm just going to clean up my part first. I think I might do this in 2 sections actually. I'm just going to use a band to hold this down. And I'll just do the same with the other side. all the hair together. I'm just going to take that band out. I'm going to use a big band. Just double it in half. Just going to add some more gel on the top. And then I'm going to add some beeswax just to keep it down, because my hair tends to start to curl up at the top, or the little flyaways do anyways. I'm just going to take some beeswax. I'm just going to put it on top. You can already see that it's staying down. And look how slick that looks. So with the back, I'm just going to twist it up. Make a little bun with it. Secure it with a hair clip. And the band. And then I'm just going to tie it down and let it dry for a little bit. Okay, so I'll be back once this is dry, and then we'll go from there. Okay guys, I'm back. Just gonna take this off. In my hair. Nice and slick. Now I've just got this donut. I'm just going to take the back of my hair out. Make sure it's tangled. And then I'm going to put this donut around my hair. Just to give my bun a little bit extra body. And then with the excess hair, I'm just going to wrap it around. Tuck it in. And that's it.